ago. So, where do these things happen? Like when they walk. What am I calling? Wait, what am I? Stop velocity. Linear velocity of the rigid body in units per second. Oh, it's under fixed update. So it's under. So fixed update, which is at like the top, and loops. So this is how they're pushing each other. It's up here. And then, what else is happening? Between fixed update. Oh yeah. Rigid body. Where does that? The effects for that. Where is that called? Pre-render, post-render, render image. I don't know. Maybe that would also be called in fixed update somewhere. When is rigid body? I don't know. Like when? Wait, what is it even called? The gravity stuff that's on it. Interpolate. Straight. You just see. Where's this one? Oh, mass. Gravity scale. So when is this stuff done? When? By applying force of scripting API. So then, oh, there we go. Gravity scale. Oh my god, I've clicked on like 10 links taking me to more and more pages. Which is gonna give me an example. But no, I wanted to know when it, what part of the order of execution does all this stuff occur? Probably somewhere in fixed update, I guess. But after. Because if they were falling first, then they would fall slowly, wouldn't they? And they would slowly move down, but they just stay in position and don't seem to move at all. Unless they are falling down, but it's like so slow. Like they're happening almost at the same time, so it's not visible. That could be possible too. Because what if everything's just being called in fixed update? I don't know. Whatever. But now I know it's the kinematic thing that makes the ghosts like push everyone forever. Ah. Now it's finally time to sleep.